Good morning, student. Today we are going to do poster writing. Poster writing is a part of a writing section, and we know first of all when the word poster is used, we feel that what our teachers used to say, draw poster on don't waste water. We have to take a chart paper, and then we have to write few words. That's all. So, children, it's not that. Okay, poster writing is an art, and this art is not easy to draft a poster. First of all, I would like to say you what is a poster. Posters are notice, advertisement, and invitation. So what are the posters? Posters are notice, invitation, and advertisement. This all makes a poster. Okay, notice, invitation, and advertisement. These three makes a poster. Alright. Therefore, they should be drafted with ultimate care. And that is the reason poster writing is not an easy thing, because you have to see about notice also, we have to see about advertisement also, and you have to see about invitation also. Mixture of these three things is not an easy thing to be drafted. So we have to draft with equally importance and care. Children, the people generally read the poster from a distance, and so the children, the whatever the letters we are writing in uses in the poster, the font size should be a big one, so that the large crowd can read from far away. They may be in the form of a large notices, generally put up on walls, on notice board, clipboard. Attractive and tempting posters attract the attention of a large number of the people. Now, children, this is the very important point in poster writing, that few words catches the attention of a large crowd or many people. If your poster is good, many people will be attracted towards that poster. So you have to see it, you have to draft it very carefully. They fire their imagination, children, they fire the imagination and influence their minds. Cinema poster of political parties generally cover up the daily city walls, adding the color and life in big cities. Now, children, if you will go to the road, then again you can find some big posters are there related to the TV serials or Bollywood star or a sports star. Okay, and these attracts a major portion of crowd in big cities. There need not be many details in a poster. Only very important issues should be highlighted. No, children, only important issues should be highlighted in the poster writing. Now, a hint for designing a poster. Okay, as stated above, poster are notices, advertisement, and invitation all in one. So, children, as stated above, poster are notices, advertisement, and invitation all in one. Hence, good poster recapture and recreate the basic moods and style of all these three means of communication. Okay, a poster should be so designed as can be put up at a public place. A good poster must catch the attention of the large crowd. Striking design and ornate work. These two are the quality of a good poster. Striking design and ornate work are the two important features of a good poster. As posters are generally put up at public places, the people generally read them from a distance. As far as possible, the letter used in the poster must be bigger than other such writing. One of bold or capital letter is frequently done. There need not be many details in a poster, only important issues should be highlighted through catchy phrases, slogans, or tempting and inviting language. So, children, in the poster writing, uh, it should be highlighted through catchy phrases, slogans, or tempting and inviting languages. Alright, so children, we have to see now. There are many types of posters are there. So I am starting with a cultural poster. Or alright. So one question I am going to read and I am going to draft a poster. So you can see that poster writing is not very easy. Well, I am going to read the question and frame one poster. It is about the cultural show or the evening. Your school, Shraddha Vidyalaya, is organizing a cultural evening to collect fund for slum children. So children, the name of the school is there, Shraddha Vidyalaya, and it is organizing a cultural evening to collect fund for the slum children. The Human Resource Development Minister has consented to be the chief guest. Draft a poster to be displayed in different areas of your locality. You are the cultural secretary of your school. Okay, so children, when you have to draft a poster, what you have to do? You have to, children, draw a box. So you have to draw a box. Now children, you have to draw a box. You have to leave the first line, and children, then you have to write first thing that who is organizing. Okay, who is organizing? So cultural society. Okay, a big font should be written. Then you have to write the name of the school, Shraddha Vidyalaya Ajmer. Is organizing a cultural evening to collect funds for on 11th March. Now you have to give the information at 6:30 p.m. Now children, second part, there is no space here, so I am going to rub the second part, and then children I will be writing the rest of the this thing. So you can see children, cultural society, who is organizing this I have written first. Cultural society Shraddha Vidyalaya Ajmer is organizing cultural evening to collect funds for some children on 11th March at 6:30 p.m. Okay, so this should be there. Alright, it should be written. Now I am going to write the second part, since the space is not there, so for that part I will be erasing it. Now you have to write who will be the chief guest. Honorable HRD Minister. Mr. Prakash Rai will be the chief guest. Okay, this you have to see, they will be the chief guest. Attraction. Now children, the third important part is the attraction. What will be the attraction of this cultural evening? Dance and drama by school children. First, dance and drama by school children. Okay. Songs and dances by TV star. Poetic recitations and magic show. And magic show. Now children, we have to write the fourth part and then we have to erase because there is no space. So children, then you have to write who will be the chief minister. So first, who is organizing what? Okay, who is organizing what and for who? For some children. Okay, then you have to write the information when, where, what, who will be the chief guest. Then you have to write the attraction of the cultural evening. And now children, the last part, you can see how you have to write that last part. So you have to write venue, that is the place. Venue is Shraddha Vidyalaya Auditorium. Okay, venue is Shraddha Vidyalaya Auditorium, and then children you have to write some nice thoughts or some ornate language like come one, come all, help a noble cause. Come one, come all, for the noble cause. Then adults, then children you have to write adults ₹30, students and children ₹20. And children, then you have to write your designation, like in the notice writing we write our designation. Okay, so in this way we have completed one notice. Now children, one other type of notice I am going. Design a poster for promoting good health through Health Mela. And children, I have discussed also this with you. Okay, now we can write some educational and student activities notice. So design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of book and good reading habit. So you have to design the poster for your school library on the value of books and good reading habit. So children, here we can start with a nice thought. Reading nourishes the mind. So you can write reading nourishes the mind, and then you can write some thought like develop a reading habit. You can write something like that. Develop a reading habit Know more about people and places. So develop a reading habit, know more about people and places, and you can write enter the word of books. Okay. Now children, this you have to write. You are not an organization, you are simple you. Okay. So the name of the organization, see how this type of notice is written, it is a bit different. Then you can write children visit your school library. Now this part is over since the space is not there. Okay, and then you have to write what are the types of books are there, because children, you are prompting your library. You have to give importance of your library and what type of book should be are there in the library. This you have to see. So children, now you have to write for books on. You have to leave one line and then write for books on science, literature, maths, arts, encyclopedia, dictionaries, atlas. Okay, then biographies, or autobiographies, sports, GK. Okay, so these are the books you are having in the library. You have to highlight what types of, apart from that you can write newspaper, various magazine. Okay, and children, finally what you have to write, you have to write a nice heading. Okay, at the last you have to write, remember, you have to write with the quotation, remember books are a treasure of knowledge, something you can write, books are a treasure of knowledge, or you can write books, after that you can write books are our best friend, we can be never be lonely if we are in the company of book. So children, this thing you have to write it. All right, so we have done draft one educational poster, one general poster. Now children, I will be writing one social themes or problem poster. This is also a type of poster related with social theme or some problem in the society. So one notice I am going to read. Okay, we will do this notice related with social theme problem. So recent rains have caused havoc in Jammu and Kashmir. There was a heavy rainfall in Jammu and Kashmir, and you are Surya, a member of the social service organization Seva Mandir, Ahmedabad. Draft a poster requesting people to help flood affected families physically and economically. So once again I read that you have to draft poster on what? Social themes. This is based on social themes or problem. Okay. Recent rain have caused havoc in Jammu and Kashmir. Your Surya, a member of the social service organization Seva Mandir, Ahmedabad, draft a poster requesting people to help flood affected families physically and economically. Okay. So children, what you have to do, you have to draw a rectangular, you have to draw a box. Okay, and then what you have to write, you have to write something like that, Seva Mandir, okay, Mahatma Gandhi Road, Ahmedabad, and then you can write call upon the people to help flood afflicted families of Jammu and Kashmir. 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 Okay. Now children, in the second part what you have to write? You have to write about children donate liberally. What you have to donate? Old clothes, medicines, baby foods, dry milk. What you have to donate? Old clothes, medicine, baby's milk. That means children, like powdered milk and dry milk. Okay. Then you can write come one, come all, help a noble cause. Come one, come all, help a noble cause. Okay, and then children, you have to write the person who is writing the notice. Surya Mandir, Surya member, Seva Mandir. Surya member, Seva Mandir. Okay. Surya member, Seva Mandir. This you have to write in the notice. So we have finished one poster with the social theme also. Now we will do some other type of poster here. So children, you have to, how you will start? Cleanliness is next to godliness, and then children you have to write promote cleanliness in your neighborhood by. Okay, now children you have to write how you are going to promote cleanliness. That is very important. So first of all, what you have written, some thought, some good word like cleanliness is next to godliness. Then you have to write promote cleanliness in your neighborhood by. Okay, now children I'm going to erase and I'm going to write by, which means how you are going to get your neighborhood clean. So children, by keeping the environment clean, by keeping, first point you can write by keeping the environment then you can draw some small poster showing the man is brooming. Okay, then littering the garbage. Then using the dustbin. Of course children, what else you will write? Avoid the using and throwing of polythene bag. This is very important. Avoid the use of using and throwing polythene bag. So children, what is this point? Avoiding the using and throwing of polythene bag. Keeping the environment clean, littering the garbage, using the dustbin, avoiding the using and throwing of polythene bag. Few more points we can write. Keeping your water tanks clear. Children, what else you can write? Parking vehicles in the parking zone. Planting trees along the passages. Okay, planting trees along the passages. All right. So, and finally, children, what you have to write? Children, you have to write a clean neighborhood ensures a healthy living. And then you have to write, children, the last thing is you have to see, like in the notice, you have to write the name and designation. Here also you have to write the name and the designation, President RWA. So in this way, we have done one notice related with cleanliness. Okay. Now children, one notice it came in again in the CBSE examination, and it is related with the social problem. Okay. So the question is publicly we proclaim that dowry is an evil. Privately we want our son to fetch good dowries. Right from our school days we should be taught that demanding and even giving dowry is not illegal but immoral also. So children, you have to draft a poster in how many words? Yes, in 50 words. Highlighting dowry as a curse. And then your name is there, you are Vikram or Sania. So children, how you are going to start this poster? Any idea? So first of all, you will start with a ornated language. Dowry is a social evil. Then you have to write, remember, few points you have to write. Okay, point wise in a bullet form you can write it. Demanding and giving of dowry is illegal. It can attract a legal action. Dowry seekers can be jailed and fined. Dowry is immortal too. Girls themselves are our greatest asset. Avoid double standards in marriage. Okay, you have to avoid double standard in marriage. Don't forget, dowry is a curse. Eradicate it completely. Eradicate means rub, finish it. So, how you are going to end with this nice thought? Dowry is a curse. Eradicate it completely. And then of course children, at last what you will write, like the notice, you have to write the name, and then you have to write the children this thing, your designation, like Vikram Sania was the name given here in the lesson, and President Anti-Dowry Forum. So now children, we have done lot of notice today, and I hope it is clear. So many poster writing we have done today, and children, you can see that poster is a mixture of notice. Why? Because we have to draw a box, we have to write the designation, we have to write that who has written the poster. So all this we have to see. It is a mixture of invitation, advertisement and notice. So we have to draft our poster very carefully. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.